Okay, so on this video, we want to show you if clients need to use a full cap, how to measure their hair, their head. So we're going to be using a measuring tape and the Oder form. The Oder form will be available on our website. Okay, so what we do is you always use. First step is to measure around your head. And every time you make sure you write it down. So this is 22.5. You always want to do with inch, not with centimeter, okay? So it's 22.5. Now, the second step is always make sure you use from the hairline to the nape of the head, okay? I'm going to show you. You have to use the bone. Start from the hairline. Right here. You don't want to go all the way down because I'm going to turn you around so you can see. If you make this too low, then it's not going to be comfortable for a client. So you mark this right here. Tony, put your head down. And then when you ask the clients, when they push their head down, you will feel the bone. You don't want to do it all the way. So this is 13. Now this is very important. You always want to make sure you will get the measurement from temple to temple. And you don't want your tape to be too low or too high. Make sure you start from the temple to the temple. And we have 14. Now the next step is from ear to ear. You always want to make sure this time the tape is not straight down. It's a little bit angle, ear to ear. So the next part is to measure from ear to ear over the forehead. This will help the company to know the hairline, where they want the hairline to be. So you make sure it's not straight. Follow the lines in the work order. So it's ear to ear over the forehead. It's 12 inch. You always want to make sure, sometimes people they lose their sideburns also. So you want to make sure you have the sideburns. So you do sideburns to sideburns. And make sure the tape is straight. It's 14. You don't want the tape to be like this or like that. Make sure it's sideburn to sideburn, straight. That's 14. And in this part here, we want to measure the nape of the head. You always want to make sure from here to here. This is 4.5. So as you see, we measure all the lines are here. The guidance are here, so you don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is just follow the numbers and fill up the numbers. Your hairpiece, a full cap hairpiece, will be perfect fit on your head.